Okay, now, second part. Let's talk about the timeline. Okay? So, the timeline. What not to do. Okay, these are examples of the timelines that were submitted, and it's clear that there are some, you rushed it and did not really think about it. So let's look at this one. What's wrong with this? We do not go up to April 31. There are only 30 days in April. And after April is May, not June. Please check your calendars. At year 8, you should know the months already. Okay? Another example of what not to do. This student, okay, what you do in day 1 should be done in day 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this student thinks that you will just do your photos, water, exercise on day 1. And then day 2, you work on your homepage. Day 3, daily meals. No, 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 no. Okay? You need to ask questions if you don't understand. This needs to be done for 5 days. So, what you do on day 1, you need to do for 5 consecutive days. Okay? And when are you going to do that? See, there are no dates. You need to put a date and you need to commit to it. Okay? You do not work on each page of a blog for the day. If you want to work on your homepage on day 2, no problem. But you still need to put in that you are taking photos of the food you have eaten. Okay? You need to record your food, exercise, and water for 5 days. That's why there's day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay? Another example of what not to do. So, you copied and pasted everything here, but you did not publish. You need to publish every time so that I can see what you are doing. If you do not publish, then I will think you did nothing. Okay? You need to publish every day. And where are the dates? This is a timeline. It's not a timeline if there are no dates. When are you going to start? You need to write it down. What is wrong with this? You are only supposed to do it for 5 consecutive days. Okay? But look, day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So why day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is for your food. Okay? Do not confuse yourself by working on the first part right now. Just put the date for that. This should be day 1. Take photos of food, record amount of water, and exercise. Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Also, what is missing here? You forgot to put update Weebly and publish. You need to update and publish always, always, every day. Okay? Do not wait until 5 days before you put in the food and water that you did. You will have a hard time at the end because then you need to remember and then you have to do a lot of calculations or research on the nutrition value of your food. Okay? So let's look at this one. You put the date, but what are you doing? What are you doing here? I need to know. This is not a timeline if you do not put the task. Okay? You need to put in what you're doing day 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, how to complete a good timeline? Okay, see, this one has the date. This one is, see, it's a tick box. I purposely made it a box so you can tick off what you have done. So this student is starting on April 25. Did I take photos of the food I ate that day? I can tick that. Did I record the water? Yes. Did I record my exercise? Yes. Did I upload all of these to the Weebly site? Yes. Did I publish it? Yes. That's why they're squares. So when you put this in your good notebook for keeping healthy, you can tick off every day that you have done all of these. That's how you keep yourself from being stressed. That's how you organize. Okay? Now look at it. Every day from April 25 to 29, I will do my summary and I will make it a day blog. Okay? So this student is saying that aside from ticking everything I need to do for the 5 consecutive days, every day I am going to put it in the summary already. Okay? And then May 4 to May 12, I will do my reflection. I will describe my feelings about my health and my senses. And then 13 to 15, I will do my designer diet. I will check many different designer diets and exercise so that I can have an idea. So I really like the way the student did this blog because that student was really thinking about what to do. Okay, and I'll tell you who did this. This was Johanna's work. Okay, so she really looked at what she needs to do in order to complete the work. Okay, now I don't want you to copy this. I want you to look at it and see how you can make it your own. Okay, so good timeline and you follow it. That's a habit you need to have already so that you will not be stressed and you will actually have more time for free time to do your games and everything because you spend about maybe 10-15 minutes a day updating your site. Okay? So, if you have any questions again, please send an email. Do not wait until it's too late before you ask the question because I'm not giving extension. Okay? What you have is what I'll mark. Okay? Because I already have everything given to you. Okay? So hope this helps you. Bye bye.